Today I'm here to talk to you guys about this commercial ice maker. Now the company did send me this product for a review, but they wanted me to show you what it is and how it works. This thing will make up to 100 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period of time, which is really nice. There's actually two ways you can fill this up with water. Either a supply line, a water supply line, or you can fill it up with an external source like a big bucket of water or drinking water and that kind of thing. It also has different levels of ice thickness, so you can make the ice that you like the best for drinks and or whatever you want. Now this thing is good for bars, restaurants, home, you can use under a cabinet kind of thing like this, a home bar, or if you just have kids that use a lot of ice during the summer for their drinks, this is something you're definitely going to have. So let's come on in a little bit closer and I'm going to show you some of the features and how it works. Okay, you are going to get a metal ice scooper, which is pretty nice. And you're going to get a little connector. This is for a water line that you can connect this hose up to. And you can tap this into a water line like under a sink or an actual water outlet that comes out from the wall. This one here is a drainage tube, so you can drain this out, makes it easy to clean the unit. They do come with that as well. And then this silicone tube here, this is for using in a drinking bottle water kind of thing, like if you have the 5-gallon jugs of water, you just drop this right inside there and it sucks up the water. There's a little filter in there. And it goes to the back of the unit. I'll show you all these connections next. Okay, at the bottom of the ice maker unit, you have a couple things. This is the drainage plug. You have your power cable. This is the hose that I'm going to use, which is the external source of water. And then over here is another thing that you'd use that other tube for if you want to plug this in and plumb it directly into a water line source. Here's where you get the ice out of. It just has a nice little opening lid like that. It does stay open, which is nice. And in here is all your ice making stuff. A really deep bin to hold lots and lots of ice. Well, if you notice, this is kind of a white color. Well, actually, this is a cover. This little plastic, you can see down here, I started to peel this off. You need to peel this off if you want to. It's just protecting the stainless steel actual plating here, which is really nice. Okay, here is the control panel to it. Now you have an on-off button here. There's a timer and clean. Now the timer, you can set this timer to go off or on at certain times. You can give it several hours if you want. Like you can have it run for like 5 hours a day or whatever you want to there. And if you press and hold it, it does its own clean type of feature. Again, the on-off button here. I turned it on and it shows 66 degrees. I had just plugged this in, so it's cooling down now. And then there's different thicknesses. So if we hit the plus on here, it's going this direction. And so what it does is it actually adds minutes. So it's minutes to it. And the thicker, the more minutes you get, the thicker the ice. So you can change that to thin ice or thicker ice by changing the plus minutes. This little bucket here means that it's filling, which there's no water in it right now in ice making mode. So all kinds of neat little stuff right here. Again, it does say here, protective film, peel off after purchase. That's this white plastic stuff. Okay, I had this gallon jug of water I'm going to use to fill it up with. So I put the tube up inside there and we're going to get this thing going. Okay, within just a couple of minutes, it actually went ahead and kicked on this pump and starting to suck the water out of this tube into the reservoir to make the ice. It does say that each ice making cycle is around 11 to 20 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and let this roll and we're going to see how long it takes to get ice. Okay, I'm at the 1 minute mark now for the countdown on the ice. So we're going to see it shut off and hopefully dump the ice out and we're going to take a look at it. Okay, this is on setting 0 for ice thickness. And there we go, we had a dump and now it's refilling. So let's go ahead and check the ice. This is the ice that it made. Pretty big chunks. This is at level 0. Now you can make it thicker by going up or you can make it thinner by going down into the negative number. So this is a pretty good sized chunk of ice that it made just at the standard 0. Not too bad. So there you have it, the commercial ice maker, up to 100 pounds a day. If you're looking for a big ice maker like this one may be the right one for you.